Hello, English Language Activity Class Presentation Topic Adjective. Contents of the presentation: parts of speech, adjective meaning, placement of adjective, types of adjectives, overview or comparison of adjectives. Parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Examples: she is an intelligent student. The word intelligent is an adjective. The word student is a noun. The painting is beautiful. The word beautiful is an adjective. The word painting is a noun. Placement of adjectives. An adjective is usually placed before a noun. Example: it is a new car. The word new is an adjective. The word car is a noun. An adjective may also be placed in different places in a sentence. An adjective may be placed after a noun. An adjective may be placed after a verb, usually after a linking verb. Kinds of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective. Adjective of quality is an adjective that indicates quality of the person or thing denoted by a noun. Examples: the painting is beautiful. The word beautiful is an adjective of quality. It is an interesting book. The word interesting is an adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity indicates the quantity of the thing or object which is denoted by a noun. Examples: the guest did not eat any food. The word any is an adjective of quantity. The manager wanted some information. The word some is an adjective of quantity. Adjective of number indicates the number of persons or things denoted by a noun. Examples: there are 50 students in the classroom. The word 50 is an adjective of number. There were many plates in the kitchen. The word many is an adjective of number. Distributive adjective indicates specific person or thing from a group. Examples: each, every, either, neither. Every plant requires water. The word every is a distributive adjective. Each student should attend the class. The word each is a distributive adjective. Interrogative adjective is used with a noun to ask a question. Examples: which book did you read? The word which is an interrogative adjective. Whose car is this? The word whose is an interrogative adjective. Demonstrative adjective points out to a person or thing denoted by a noun. Examples: these students are hardworking. The word these is a demonstrative adjective. That house is old. The word that is a demonstrative adjective. Comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison. They are as follows: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Comparison of adjectives. Positive degree indicates the presence or existence of a quality in a person or thing. Examples: brave, strong, old, intelligent, useful, good. Comparative degree is used to compare two things or set of things of the same kind. Examples: braver, stronger, older, more intelligent, more useful, better. Superlative degree is used to indicate the highest degree of any quality. Examples: bravest, strongest, oldest, most intelligent, most useful, best. Note: the formation of the comparative and superlative forms may differ for different adjectives. The number of syllables in an adjective is considered while forming the comparative and superlative forms. Irregular comparison of adjectives. The comparative or superlative forms of some adjectives are formed in an irregular way and not from the positive form of the adjective. Examples: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Note: words are classified as parts of speech based on their work or function in a sentence. A word may function or work as different parts of speech in different sentences. Thank you.